Welcome to Infinity Expeditions. Today we're delving into the eerie silence of abandoned factories. Once bustling with activity, these factories now stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era. Imagine the clamor of machines, the hum of production lines, and the voices of countless workers, now. Only the echoes of the past remain, frozen in time. Every corner holds memories of hard work and dedication, each tool and machine a piece of history. From the assembly lines that once produced everyday essentials to the offices where plans were made and futures were shaped, nature has begun to reclaim these spaces, blending the industrial past with the natural world. Each artifact tells a story, waiting to be uncovered and remembered. These abandoned factories remind us of the impermanence of human endeavors and the enduring passage of time. Join us as we explore these forgotten places, piece together their histories, and pay homage to the lives once intertwined with these walls. Subscribe for more adventures into the forgotten and the unknown. See you next time on Infinity Expeditions.